Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving this interesting limit as x approaches infinity of 3 to the power of x minus e to the power of 2x. It's actually an indeterminate form of the type infinity minus infinity because as x approaches infinity, 3 to the power of x goes to infinity and negative e to the power of 2x goes to negative infinity. Before we jump into the limit, let me remind you of something important. The natural logarithm and the exponential function are inverses. That means for all real numbers x, we have ln of e to the power of x is equal to x. Examples: ln of e to the power of negative 2 is equal to negative 2. ln of e to the power of 3 is equal to 3. One more example, ln of e to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. And also for all strictly positive real numbers x, we have e to the power of ln of x is equal to x. Examples: 10 is the same thing as e to the power of ln of 10. 2 to the power of x is equal to e to the power of ln of 2 to the power of x, which is equal to e to the power of x ln of 2. 3 to the power of x is the same thing as e to the power of ln of 3 to the power of x, which is equal to e to the power of x ln of 3. And this right here, this is the key idea of the exercise. Once you understand this, the rest becomes easy. Now let's get back to our limit. Now we know that 3 to the power of x can be replaced with e to the power of x ln of 3. So now the limit becomes here. Let's factor out e to the power of 2x. The limit becomes, and to transform this expression, I'm going to use this formula: a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n minus m. Applying that, the limit becomes, and here let's factor out x. Now let's evaluate this expression. As x approaches infinity, x goes to infinity, and this right here, this is a negative number. A negative number times positive infinity, that's going to give me negative infinity, implying that the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of x multiplied by ln of 3 minus 2, that's going to give me 0, because e to the power of negative infinity is equal to 0. Let me give you an example. The limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of negative x, this is the same thing as the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over e to the x. As x approaches infinity, we know that e to the x goes to infinity. 1 divided by infinity, that's going to give me 0. Limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of x times ln of 3 minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to 0 minus 1, which is equal to negative 1. And the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of 2x is equal to positive infinity. All this expression goes to negative 1. And as x approaches infinity, e to the power of 2x goes to positive infinity. So we have negative 1 times positive infinity. So that's going to give us negative infinity. The final answer of the limit is negative infinity.